Welcome back to Healthy Horizons. If you've been dreaming of longer, thicker, shinier hair, today's video is just for you. We're talking about a simple, natural superfood that could transform your hair: flax seeds. Tiny but mighty, these seeds are packed with nutrients your hair craves. Stick around as we break down how flax seeds can boost hair growth, prevent hair fall, and bring out your hair's natural beauty. Flax seeds are small, brown or golden seeds harvested from the flax plant. They've been used for centuries not just for food and fabric, but also for natural health remedies. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and powerful antioxidants, flax seeds offer a treasure chest of benefits, especially when it comes to hair health. First and foremost, faster hair growth. Flax seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish the hair follicles and improve scalp health. This helps your hair grow stronger and longer, naturally. Healthy follicles mean less breakage and more visible growth over time. Are you dealing with thinning hair or constant breakage? Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens hair strands from within. It repairs damage, minimizes split ends, and protects your hair from daily wear and tear caused by pollution, heat, and styling. A dry, flaky scalp can be a major reason for hair problems. Flax seeds help maintain the natural oils on your scalp, keeping it hydrated and healthy. A nourished scalp means fewer problems like dandruff, itchiness, and even hair fall. Did you know your scalp's pH level plays a big role in hair health? When the pH balance is off, it can lead to hair thinning, frizz, and slow growth. Flax seeds help balance the scalp's pH, ensuring that your hair grows in a healthier environment. Thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties, flax seeds can help soothe scalp irritations. Regular use, whether eaten or applied topically, can reduce dandruff, redness, and even minor scalp infections. Healthy scalp equals healthy hair. One of the most noticeable benefits? Shinier, softer hair. The omega-3s and vitamin B complexes in flax seeds improve your hair's texture, making it silkier, smoother, and much more manageable. Now that you know the amazing benefits, here's how you can use flax seeds for your hair. 1. Eat them daily. Add ground flax seeds to your smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons a day for best results. 2. Flaxseed gel hair mask. Boil 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in 1 cup of water until it thickens. Strain and cool. Apply the gel to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse off. 3. Flaxseed oil. Massage pure flaxseed oil into your scalp once or twice a week for deep nourishment. Remember, consistency is key. A couple of quick tips: always grind flax seeds before eating. Your body can absorb the nutrients better. Store ground seeds in an airtight container in the fridge to keep them fresh. If you're allergic to seeds or prone to digestive issues, start with small amounts. Flax seeds are truly nature's little gift for hair health. Whether you eat them, apply them, or both, your hair will thank you for the extra love and nourishment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more natural beauty and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay radiant.